My name is Satyanarayan. I am co-founder and director at New Horizon Media. We are a book publisher and a book retailer. We have been in this business for over 8 years. We run a lot of book fairs apart from publishing and selling books through the trade. We also run a lot of book fairs and we also have a few book retail outlets. Now, the solution that we were looking for in terms of inventory, billing and data and reports were things that were a problem for us with our existing solution when we came upon GoFrugal in 2010. And ever since we have been using GoFrugal solution for almost our entire business. With the previous solution that we had to spend a lot on hardware and software and had one software installation at the central warehouse, and we also then had to have a separate investment in hardware and software for each subsequent installation. So it was very expensive for us to use in the book fairs. We were not able to use it in the book fairs, and that caused us a lot of problems because we had to bill by hand in the book fairs, and we had a lot of trouble in tracking the inventory and also increasing sales at the book fairs. Once we shifted the GoFrugal solution, it made a huge difference to us because not only was it on a SaaS model which allowed us to pay only for the terminals that we use in each month and not have to invest upfront in substantial hardware and software on a one-time basis. We were also able to use these SaaS terminals on an online model, so we had real-time data that we could get on what was selling and what was not selling. This helped us hugely in making our merchandising and sales decisions. So we were able to move the books that were displayed in the book fairs around to ensure that they were more visible to the customers and then were bought much more. We were also able to ensure that the fast selling titles were always in stock, so managing our inventory was good. We also were able to make sure that the slow moving titles need not be taken in large quantities to these fairs. But more than this, what we found was that the software was web based, so it was very easy for any of our staff at the book fair location to use it. They were all very comfortable using a web browser, and so it was very easy for them to start using it with very little training, and they had no problem at all in using it. In the book fairs, we always had a large number of customers coming together at one time because the book fairs were highly crowded. So we had to ensure that we were able to get each of those customers billed and sent out quickly so that we could process more customers. And the speed of billing with GoFrugal's TruePOS solution was also very, very fast. So it helped us ensure that we never lost sales from customers who were queuing up. One of the other advantages of using GoFrugal's TruePOS solution was that we did not have internet connectivity at all times. In locations like book fairs where internet connectivity would be often flaky, we found that we were able to actually bill using GoFrugal's TruePOS solution even in an offline mode and sync up to the server when we were able to get internet connectivity and upload all the data. So that was very useful for us in various book fair locations. Apart from book fairs, even at the central warehouse, we were actually able to use the GoFrugal TruePOS solution to ensure that we were able to input the stock that we wanted transferred to a book fair and then have that stock opened in the book fair location automatically instead of having to retype all of that stock into the book fair terminal. And we also found that once the book fair is over, we were able to return the stock from the book fair to the central warehouse and also do the same thing again. Even in terms of the basic requirements of billing and returns and all of that in our regular publishing activities to the trade customers, we found that GoFrugal solved all of our problems comfortably. Apart from the fact that GoFrugal solved all of our problems, GoFrugal also provided excellent support. When we started out, GoFrugal did not have all of the functionalities that we wanted for us as a publishing and retailing customer. But they were very nice about developing all of the things that we needed to customize the solution for us, and they have been able to provide all of the things that any publisher or a bookseller would require. And apart from the fact that we have all these solutions, the fact that they provide 24/7 support is very, very useful. Whenever we have had any issue, they have always been very quick to respond and address all of those issues immediately. One other thing that GoFrugal allows us is to integrate our inventory and billing solution with our financial software, which is Tally. So we were able to ensure that whatever was happening at the warehouse or at the book fairs or at any other location were all integrated into our accounts and were represented in our accounts correctly. I would wholeheartedly recommend GoFrugal's TruePOS solution for any publisher or bookseller. Having used it, I can assure you that it will certainly meet all of your needs.